Another video in Market Talk YouTube channel. Today the video was little delayed, mainly because of NSE India actually, because of the option chain which was coming properly. Now they stopped actually for the past 2 days. I'm working on other solutions, but still it seems they blocked pulling the data from the website. Let us see what is the benefit they got because of this. I don't know actually, but we'll try to find out other solution. If one door is closed, other door is open. Let us start with the disclaimer. So please note that the video, whatever the views mentioned here, is for education purpose, not for trading purpose. Any loss because of this view you trade, I am not responsible. Okay, please take your trades accordingly. So let us go to the charts and see what happened. So coming to the power of 2. So in case of power of 2, already we are in sell signal only. If you see the McGinley 200 is up and McGinley 20 is down. Now let us see in detail what happened here. The market opened here in the morning. It has opened equal to high. This is the first bearish signal. So when the slightly went above this high and then it came down here. So every time the high what got resisted. After that it moved in the entirely near the previous low only. But what happens whenever the market moves in one particular direction, it stretches to that extent so that all the weak hands will get out. So that's the thing that I am expecting. 21,000 will not get broken this week expiry. So there is a strong feeling that based on the option data also, the 21,000 may not be broken. Last month August we raised almost 2,100 points. This time we have come down to 2,600 points. Net 500 points only move happened actually in the month of August and September both together put together. So let us see, because 21,000 if it is not broken and then if you start moving up again, maybe possible again we can test to 21,000 again tomorrow and then we can start moving above till 22,000 possible also in the month of September. But the one thing we have to take note is the Rahu Ketu transition, how it's going to impact. As I mentioned the astro view, this week is going to be a lot of astro packed event actually. So how it is going to pan out, you have to be very careful. So positive, negative, what we have to just, it will be large day, but this Friday is going to be large day. Big move is expected to be seen. So just get ready for that. Let us see the Renko setup also. Coming to the Renko setup, if you see here, it is in the consolidation zone here for almost entire day, almost like here. If you see this range of 21,441 to 21,226, almost 200 points range. The last 1 hour, no, 2 hours, like 1:55, 2 o'clock, that time it broke and then came to the same back level. Okay, this is what happened in the Renko setup. So Renko setup gives an idea of what is the range bound move happening, what is the range of move happening, and then after the, but if you hear also yesterday was the same thing, it moved from range and then gave a breakout. Before that also you see in 17th September made a move and then broke out. So okay, just what you do is like if you are option trader, option buyer, just if you see here the bottom, the range what's happening here and here, these two strike price, just keep a note of it. Once we keep a note of it, then that will give a very good opportunity to make money in the option buying actually. Okay, Renko setup, there is a very good benefit. At a glance you can understand what is the range it's trading and where is the breakout. Like tomorrow if we come under again to this range here, then look for 21,500 and 21,000 on the bottom. Let us see that also. Then coming to the Nifty. Coming to the Nifty, it was the little different story actually. If you see here in the morning, it was like almost open equal to high and then started coming down, never went and tested like Bank Nifty on the upside. After that it tried to go below the go long. It was around the go long level almost for the entire day until 1 o'clock. But however it sort of giving a breakout and want to go above actually. But entire day, then after it closed around 11,177. Today if you see here in this Bank Nifty, 11,000 is a very good support. The put traders were very strong, but more than that 11,200 call, 11,300 call traders were very strong actually, but they never came near 11,100 actually. If you see, they stopped near 11,200 and then 11,300 call only. Let us see in the Renko setup also what happened here. Not like Bank Nifty where we done range bound. We have been continuously moving on the upside actually from morning, slightly never touched the bottom and then started going up here 11,249. It is a Renko box setup 10. Then after that in the last 1 hour 145 started coming down. So if you see, I tell you that 1 o'clock to 1:30 is a time very crucial. Sudden move on either side comes. So you have to be just very careful about your stop losses. It can hit anyway. Let us see the charts. Coming to the charts, definitely as I mentioned yesterday, the swing low has been broken today. So if you see the low here 11,185 and today the low formed is 11,153. So definitely everybody knows this swing low is broken. So thing is that we cannot take a trade based on this definitely, but we have to give a follow up move also. Whether the swing low will broken and go to test 11,000 levels or not is all depends on the Nifty Reliance actually. So but definitely the swing low is broken. Here the higher high formed and then here lower high formed, then now lower low. Okay, so it is very clearly lower low is formed in Nifty. And in case of Bank Nifty, this is the very good support here around 21,000 level. 21,000 level it should hold at any cost. The option data was also indicating the same thing. In case we don't hold 21,000, then direct we can see another 1,000 points move here around 19,500 to the 20,000 levels. This all depends on the holding of 21,000 levels. So keep it close tab on 21,000 level. Any surprise move can take it on the downside also. All depends on these global movements also. What is going to happen for the Dow Jones today night, and the Singapore Nifty also give some leads. Let us go to the cloud setup. So in the cloud setup, we'll see Nifty definitely below this Tenkan Senki crossover, it is bearish. Definitely the intermediate term, it is bearish without any doubt. In the future, cloud is still not given any bearish signal, but once you get into the cloud, it will be a consolidation zone. Once you break out of the cloud and go below, it is bearish, finish. Now Nifty game will finish below this cloud, and Eichler Fisher has given a sell signal here. So Eichler Fisher is given a sell signal. Instead of buying a put option, as I mentioned you, go for shorting 11,000 call option next week expiry and buy say 11,350 or something like 300 or 400 call option as hedging. That's it. That's the best thing you can do, so that you can, in case of any reversal move or something or any wrong trade or view also, then you can get adjusted. But if you buy put, then there will be no hedge. As I mentioned, buying options you cannot do hedging overnight basis, particularly even during the day also. Let us see the Bank Nifty. In case of Bank Nifty, we have gone below the cloud. Definitely it is bearish below the cloud, no doubt. And future cloud also is showing the indication of cloud bearishness. So here Eichler Fisher is not giving any clues of a reversal actually. Any rise will be sell and rise only. So here Bank Nifty, any up move, just look for opportunity to short the call options. That's the best thing. If you are stuck with any put options, then you should slowly try to exit your positions and tilt yourself towards the writing call options. That's the best thing actually. Now the second setup, Bollinger Band. Bollinger Band, today Nifty also gave a sell signal Arun. No doubt it's a clear case of sell for Nifty from the Arun perspective. And we saw yesterday also like the triple super trend also, we are almost getting sell signal. We'll see that also. Bollinger Band bottom we touch, 20 moving average will be the next resistance. Till we don't cross 20 moving average, we should hold for selling only, sell and rise for Nifty also, because still we don't see that there is less chance of coming up, because we broken swing low. Now Arun has confirmed also that the sale is confirmed. Okay, this is the buy signal we got triggered on 1st June. From 1st June till now, no whipsaw at all. Completely we are in buy signal. Now after long time we are getting a sell signal, so don't miss the opportunity. Okay, but take in a few lots. Okay, few lots. Try it. No, during intraday you make bigger lot size if you can handle, because don't because every day you will get opportunity. It's not that only one time you will get opportunity. So just take your trades, make profit. That's very important. Bank Nifty, yesterday itself we got around sell signal. Now we are 20 moving average will be the short term resistance. Till the time we don't cross 20 moving average, it is a very cool sell signal. And same time previous day high. Just see previous day high. Whenever we don't close below above previous day high, just you can continue to hold your short positions. Always short with the hedge. That's better thing. You might lose some money on the hedge, but definitely short will be little safer. Okay, so that we don't pray and wait for the trade to happen as per our positions. Let us go for the third position. Third is Heikin Ashi. Heikin Ashi, now The only one super trend is pending actually, which is yet to be given. 10-3 is the pending one. Once tomorrow if there is any down move happens again and close momentum increases, then we can go for sell signal here also. And DA minus also has gone above DA plus confirmation. Now Arun we got sell signal, DA plus everything we got sell signal. This super trend also we are just above, almost we are getting sell signal. So there is no point in holding your long positions. Cut your long positions and tilt your position towards the shorts till the time we don't cross, because now we got almost 75% confirmation, 75 to 80% confirmation of our short positions, positional shorts. They are not really intraday, positional shorts we are getting the confirmations. In case of Bank Nifty, yesterday itself we saw that super trend we got broken and another candle formed below and momentum is increasing also, and DA minus is about DA plus. So every rise you look for opportunity to short. That's the best way, and there is no point that you do a contra trade and get stuck. Just go with the momentum, right, wrong, normal, abnormal, high P ratio, low P ratio, logic, illogic, whatever. Don't think anything. Just see the charts. A chart speaks 1,000 words. Okay, just go with the words. If you have read Heikin Ashi, go for shorts. Simple. Once you see a doji, you will get a signal for reversal. Then a green candle will form. Then we will take the reversal positions, because long time is there to reverse a position. If you see here also once the reversal comes here, all red candles, then we saw a small candle, then reversal candle, and then we started moving up. Okay, so definitely you will get enough indication for to reverse your positions in case of trend reversal happens. It's not that market will just turn overnight, unless otherwise there is some big news coming, 20 lakh crore package, 50 lakh crore package, something comes, then different thing. But otherwise normally market doesn't move, U-turn, V-turn and all will not happen. Okay, let's move to the presentation. So let's go to the key data. Coming to the key data, PCR is indicating variations, but in case of Bank Nifty, as I mentioned yesterday also, it is a little oversold. So some bounce can be expected, but that bounce is not trend reversal. So you have to differentiate between the trend reversal and the bounce. Okay, so any bounce can just, one second, let me just close this. There is some problem actually. So there is a trend reversal is not there, it's only technical bounce. It might happen if it comes. So use the opportunity to short the calls only. There is no point in going for long positions, positional. And Bank Nifty ratio is 1.9. So we are on the bottom of the ratio. Any correction will be very big in case of Nifty, but not Bank Nifty, because Bank Nifty is not at given enough bounce actually. Lakshman Rekha since sell signal, enough points, we got 2700 points we got in the month of September. Now October, whether the trend will continue or reversal will happen, all depends on the astro perspective. We will get enough indications in the another 2-3 days. So watch for the astro combinations, how it behaves in the on Thursday, Friday. Next 3 days is going to be very, very crucial. And then moving averages, definitely it is bearish below the 20 and 50 moving average. Once you cross below 20-50 moving average, it is definitely bearish in the short term. There is no point in holding the long positions. Immediately if you are holding, you should cut your long positions. At least 20 moving average we should cross. Okay, in case the lowest of this 11,265. 50 moving at least we should cross, then only we can think of reversal in the trend to long positions. Here all the key moving areas were on the short. There is no point in holding longs here. Any reversal comes, at least we should cross around 22 or see here 21,360. So 21,360 is the 100 moving average. At least we should cross that actually. It's not looking good actually in the charts. And this is a closing position of top 10 OA change. Yesterday I uploaded a video on how to get this information from the download option actually. I hope you got that point and you tried to use this. At least a few people got benefited. I'll be happy, because I just try to work out all these things, macros, whatever best I can do to get it automated actually, till the time we get a solution from the NS India website. So if you see the open interest change, 11,200, 300, 400 call, all these were in the top call writers list. So tomorrow, if the position continues, look for the opportunity for reversal in case of gap down. 11,200 call should give some opportunity for some reversal. But in case of Bank Nifty, now the morning into 21,000 put only was the highest open interest in the top one, but okay, second one. But today 19,900 also, 19,900 is almost very low actually, but still people are writing that positions. So 21,000 put and 21,500 call are the two major strike prices which one should take note. So they are expecting call traders, call and put option traders are expecting that the market will not break this range. So any rise 21,500 call is sold, and any dip 21,000 put is sold. This is what they are doing it, very simple. And tomorrow, day after tomorrow, then the squeeze can happen. We will see which squeeze happens on which side. Whether 21,400 call traders will come inside or 21,100 will come, we have to wait and watch. So coming to the learning time, so we saw in the last 3 days about the importance of house. What is the ascendant? Ascendant is the first house, and then how to see the other houses. In the last 2 days, you can see the details for the charts for 8 houses. Now, now we will see the 9th, 10th, and 11th and 12th house, what it represents. So in case of 9th house represents Guru, father, previous life, worship, virtue, grandson, prayer, spiritual things. Okay, all these things, the fortune, family, everything. Not noble family, it's not family, noble family, fortune, those things. Okay, 9th house is what this I told you that is Mr. Narendra Modi's horoscope, for example, so that everybody will understand, everybody know about him, so that it will be, when I explain about this horoscope, it will be easy for you to understand. Also, you can also try to correlate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9th house is empty. As I mentioned, empty house has no relevance. It is just a house. That's it. Unless some planets are positioned there and some planets are seeing this house, that makes a difference actually. So as of now, 9th house, if you see here, not of any great importance. Then 10th house for him is for anybody. 10th house is a career. 10th house is very important. Career. How you are able to go ahead in your business, your career, your that's a way how you make money, correct? Your job you can tell. Job is what important. Whether whether you're going to get a government job, private job, whether you are going to be successful in the job, whether you're going to get a job or not, okay, and whether you'll get discontinued the job. Because so many things you'll be able to know from this 10th house. So if you see his 10th house, just see here 10th house, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10th house. 10th house is the main, the Karaka is Saturn. Okay, Saturn is the one who is mainly very important for job and discipline, work. So he doesn't like when, though he is in different house, different thing, but he is in his own place of 10th house where he is showing more importance to work. So you can know like how disciplined Mr. Modi, how disciplined he is, how he is showing importance to the job. That shows the Saturn. When Saturn is in different house, then it may have different meaning. But when he is in the 10th house, where he is focusing on the job, Saturn is a very disciplined worker. Okay, worker or soldier, we can tell, very disciplined person, and he doesn't allow any malpractices or anything to be allowed. If the person who is having in the 10th house Saturn, and if he does any wrong thing in the job, then he will punish very severely. Okay, so you know like how sincere and disciplined Mr. Modi for his job and dedication. That's a Saturn he can show. You may not believe about what is happening around the world, but his horoscope you can see and understand what is it is saying. If somebody is having a Saturn 10th house and he doesn't work properly, then he will be taken to the task by Saturn without any doubt. Whether people punish or not, like that, the person will be punished by Saturn. Okay, that you remember. Venus in 10th house. Venus means what? Venus means girl, woman, wife, romance, mother, or related to tangible things. Your leisure, you can tell all facilities, tangible things, mobile or TV, whatever things, like you want to have some tangible things, valuable things that represents luxurious life. All things happens. If you see here 10th house, so his 10th house where job is there, Saturn is there, that is giving the opportunity for enjoying the facilities. Okay, he's able to go alone in a separate private jet. I mean, it's not private jet, it's a one single flight, chartered flight. He goes to several countries. This Venus is giving this, doing this with his job actually. Attached is as a package is coming in the 10th house. And similarly, say because Saturn, the marriage will be get delayed. If the Saturn is there with Venus, normally the marriage will get delayed. Saturn is a very disciplined person and also focused on job only, and that way is having not, though both are friends, but different characters. Both are different characters actually. So that way his personal life with his family, whatever, you can understand. Then let us go to the 11th house. 11th house is income, mainly income. How you generate income, whether you generate income from investments, or you generate income from job, or you generate income from business, or you generate income from any other sources, whatever. That what it depends, shows you the 11th house. And also your siblings, okay, and your gains in the main from the income is the main thing actually, simple, very simple. So 11th house, this one. So 11th house, the income generator house. So what is showing, from which source you will get income? He's showing sun is government, sun is government or father, both represent sun. Now I will tell you the key things, you can understand how you can correlate, with the 11th house. 11th house is income, sun is the government or father. Mercury is the royal messenger of the god, means Mercury is very good. Whenever Mercury is there, it means good communication skills. That good communication skills is getting his job and his income also. He is giving so much of speeches, okay, so much of speeches for the party. Mercury is a good communicator. And Ketu in sun, Ketu is what happens, he is a spiritual person, okay. Whenever he is there, he may play a low profile, though he is in the government making income. Sun, he is in the low profile, he is not a go high fee or something, you go very high fee and be a luxury or something, he will not allow. In the government, he will be taking a low profile, he will press it. The same way in case of Jupiter also, you saw in the bank Nifty, Jupiter and Ketu are there together. That's the reason Jupiter otherwise alone in his own house would have gone too much upon the market also. Anyway, Ketu was controlling and the market was not giving much momentum actually for the bank Nifty. Ketu was controlling the Jupiter actually. So the overall how you can interpret, you can just see, because you have to understand what is the house, what is the character of the house, and then what is the character of the planets, and then you need to correlate both things and interpret the horoscope for any person. Next is 12th house. 12th house is a house of loss. You can tell loss of sleep, loss of money, loss of love, loss of mother, loss of father, and disappearance, jail, okay, isolated bed or isolated places, okay, loneliness. Most of things comes like the loss. Whenever you see some here in the Jupiter, here if you see Jupiter, then loss of wealth. In case you see like Mars is there, loss of bravery, you can tell bravery. Moon, loss of mother, something like that. So whenever you correlate the planet and you see the 12th house, ascendant just before that house is 12th house. So whenever you see something here, it is a loss. Here nothing is there, so no loss, nothing significant for him. So that's why it is interpretation of a 12th house. Hope you enjoyed this video. Small videos I'm just making for astrology, so that at least you have some idea. Don't ignore astrology. Have some knowledge about it. Definitely it is eye opener for you. So many things you will come to know, and it is going to help you in your personal life. And financial astrology, I will try to bring in more concepts of financial astrology also, and how you can correlate the trading, and so many things. Okay, hope you enjoy video. Please subscribe and like the channel. I will bring out with more videos. Thank you.